Let's make Punjabi Pulao, and for that we have a tablespoon of jeera and about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to let the jeera pop. I added 1.5 blended onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. So I'm going to make this golden brown. 3 pieces of cinnamon, 3 pieces of badi ilachi, 4 pieces of black pepper and 4-5 pieces of cloves. I've added about some mutton, and this is about a pound. Added 5 cups of water. I'll add 1 tablespoon of coarsely ground coriander seeds. I'm adding some salt to taste. I'm going to add some black pepper, about half teaspoon. I'm adding half teaspoon of garam masala. I'll pressure cook the meat for 30 minutes on medium heat. About 2.5 cups of stock, and this is the meat, the mutton. 1.25 cups of rice. So now I'll wash it. I have 1.25 cup of soaked rice. I'm going to use double the amount of broth, so I have exactly enough, which is about 2.5. Now if your broth is a little less, you can always adjust this by adding a little water. So right now I am adjusting the seasoning, adding some salt and black pepper to taste. It comes to a boil. Rice, I'll give it all a good mix. So once the rice comes to a boil, I'm now going to start adding it. So I've added the mutton. I'm going to give everything a good stir and then cook it on low heat. I covered my rice after about 8 minutes and they are done. You can see that they are nicely done. So at this point I will switch it off and then serve it with chicken curry and zarda. Hello everyone, we are going to make zarda, and to begin with we have 1 cup of soaked and washed rice, and we're going to use 3 cups of water. And in this water I've added some food coloring. I usually prefer to use the powdered one. I don't have it, so I'm using the orange food color, and I will add 5 cloves to it. Once the water boils, I'm going to add my soaked rice, which had been soaking for about 30 minutes. Drain the rice. In a saucepan I've taken about 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. I've added a handful of nuts, pistachios, almonds, and some soaked raisins, about a tablespoon or 2. I'll fry them for a couple minutes, about 1 or 2 minutes. Add half cup sugar. I've added brown sugar. You can use white sugar, whatever sugar is available at home. Add some lemon juice. I've added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I've added about 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Alternatively, if you don't have cream at home, you can use 2 tablespoons of milk. To help the sugar caramelize, I added a tablespoon of milk to this mixture. Once the sugar caramelizes, add the rice and cook on low heat. Give everything a good mix, and then I'll cook it on low heat for 5 minutes. Before simmering it, add a tablespoon of cardamom powder to give a good smell, and then give everything a good mix and simmer it for 5 minutes. My Pilau and Zarda is ready to serve. Serve it over the holidays. Your family is sure to enjoy it. Like, subscribe and share. See you for now.